In this video, we'll talk about collectors.counting method. Collectors class counting method count the number of elements in a string. Its syntax is stream.off 1 2 3 4 5 6.collect collectors.counting. You might be wondering that why we need another counting method when we already have a stream.count method available to count the number of elements in the string. The reason for this counting method is that it is helpful in downstream operations. Like for example, when you are grouping by with the length of the string and then counting, then in that case you cannot use the stream.count method. So that's why this counting method is provided in the collectors.counting. Now let's look into the example of counting in IntelliJ. Let's create a new class, and the class name is counting example. And create public static void main. So let's count the number of instructors who teaches online courses. So our use case is count the number of instructors who teaches online courses. So first way I will show is basically using stream.count method, and then afterwards we'll be using the collectors.counting method. So let's create long count, because count returns long, is equal to instructors dot get all dot stream dot filter, and here we are filtering all the instructors who teaches online courses, and dot count. Now let's look at the example using, let me print it out, and count. Now collectors dot counting. So count is equal to instructor dot get all dot stream dot filter, and instructor dot is online courses dot collect, and collectors dot counting, and print out count. Now let's run this example. So you can see that both of them return the same count. But this counting method will be used in more downstream operations, and we'll be looking at more downstream operations in the next future sections. We'll be discussing grouping in the next sections.